Samsung Galaxy Ring promises a week of AI-powered wellness insights in a featherlight titanium band. Either we have finally hit invisible health tracking that actually helps you live better, or we are spending $300 on an elegant step counter with a fancy score. On paper, it is 10 ATM and IP68 water resistant, lasts up to 7 days, tracks sleep, heart rate trends, skin temperature, and even delivers an energy score via Galaxy AI. Sounds criminally generous for something that weighs a few grams, but here is the thing: specs are the brochure, daily life is the test. I wore the Galaxy Ring for 3 weeks alongside a Galaxy Watch and an Oura to see where it shines and where it stumbles. I have put the direct link to check current pricing in the description, but before you click anything, let me show you what I discovered after 3 weeks of testing. Here is what Samsung says this ring will do. It turns your finger into a wellness dashboard, sleep tracking that is comfortable enough to forget, readiness-style energy score that tells you how ready you are to go, auto workout detection for walks and runs, and durable shower-to-gym wear with a long-lasting battery. No subscription fees, and it plays best with Galaxy phones. Sounds solid, right? Pretty bold claims for a $299.99 ring that sits at a 3.8 rating on Amazon. But here is where things get interesting. Reality check. They claim up to a week of battery life. What you actually get is 4 to 7 days depending on ring size, settings, and how often you sync and check stats. Here is why. Smaller sizes have smaller batteries, continuous heart rate and temperature trend tracking quietly siphon power, and frequent Bluetooth handshakes add up. In my testing, a size 10 averaged 6.5 days. A smaller size landed closer to 5. The charging case tops it up fast, but the week-long claim is best case, not everyday reality. They claim effortless, accurate wellness insights. What you actually get is useful trends with caveats. Total sleep time was typically within 10 to 20 minutes of my Galaxy Watch and Oura, but sleep stages were hit or miss night to night. Resting heart rate overnight was usually within 1 to 3 BPM of the watch. Daily step counts matched within a few percent. Energy score, helpful, but here is where it gets mathematically impossible. It cannot know how ready you are on day 1. You need at least 7 nights of baseline data before the score stabilizes, and that is why Samsung tells you to wear it for a week. After calibration, the score roughly tracked my fatigue and sleep debt, but heavy lifting sessions did not register as strain because the ring's auto detection is limited to walking and running. They claim smart features via Galaxy AI and tight integration. What you actually get is great cohesion if you are on a recent Samsung Galaxy phone and frustrating walls if you are not. Compatibility is where the plot twist hits. This ring is essentially for Galaxy phone owners. If you are on iPhone or even a non-Galaxy Android, let's be real, you are mostly out. Many of those 3.8-star Amazon reviews complain about setup or missing features because of that lock-in. They claim durable, comfortable wear at 24/7 hardware. What you get is genuinely featherlight, grade 5 titanium feel that disappears on the finger, with 10 ATM and IP68 letting you shower, swim, and sweat without worry. But wait, there is more. Titanium resists corrosion, not scuffs. If you are rough with barbells or rock walls, micro scratches are inevitable. The double pinch gesture to snap a photo or dismiss alarms is cool when it works, but it missed a few times when my hands were wet. Finally, the marketing leans hard on no subscription. That is real and it matters. Compare that to Oura at roughly $6 to $10 a month. Over a year, the Galaxy Ring's $299.99 price lands in a better value lane if you already own a Galaxy phone. Battery life: in repeated cycles, I clocked 5 to 6.5 days per charge with continuous HR and temp trends on, notifications limited, and no frequent manual sync spamming. The charging case topped me from 10% to full in about 40 minutes. What the marketing does not mention: colder nights and frequent on-demand readings nudge the battery down faster, and smaller ring sizes drain quicker by design. Build and comfort: grade 5 titanium, featherlight, rounded inner edges, and it stays put under gloves. 10 ATM and IP68 means swim and shower are fine, but rinse after salt or soap. Here is what nobody tells you: sizing is critical. If it is even half a size off, heart rate quality drops and comfort goes from invisible to annoying. Use a sizing kit before you commit, and note that returns for the wrong size can be a hassle through third-party sellers. Health and accuracy: overnight HR and temperature trends are the ring's sweet spot. Total sleep duration is solid. Sleep staging is directionally useful, not diagnostic. Compared to a chest strap for intervals, the Ring lagged and undercounted peaks. Auto workout detection only covers walking and running, no cycling, no strength specifics. That is not switching from a sports watch. That is expensive confusion if you expect full training metrics. Smart features and app. Energy score is a clean, readable readiness snapshot once calibrated. Wellness tips and trend insights require a Samsung account, Samsung Health, and a compatible Galaxy AI phone. Gesture control is fun party trick territory, not a reason to buy. Review pulse check. The 3.8 rating mirrors what I saw in user feedback analysis. 5-star fans love comfort and no subscription. 1-star reviewers hit compatibility, sizing, and expectations that it would replace a watch. Verdict: buy with caution. If you own a recent Samsung Galaxy phone, want invisible 24/7 comfort, care most about sleep, resting HR, and recovery vibes, and hate subscriptions, the Galaxy Ring is a strong, stylish choice at $299.99. It is worth it if you value trends over minute-by-minute sport metrics. Skip this unless you are in the Galaxy ecosystem, because otherwise you will fight compatibility walls. Save your money for a sports watch if training data is your priority. Pros: featherlight comfort, no subscription, solid battery, strong sleep, and trend tracking. Cons: Galaxy only features limited workout detection, stage accuracy variability, sizing sensitivity. Stay savage out there. Thanks for watching. If this review saved you from wasting money or helped you find something actually worth buying, I have put the link to check current pricing and read more reviews in the description. And hey, if you do decide to buy through my link, it helps fund these investigations without costing you extra. Drop your questions and your experience below, especially if you tested it against an Oura or Ultrahuman. Next up, I am pitting Galaxy Ring against Oura Gen 3 and Ring Con in a no BS accuracy showdown. Subscribe so you do not miss it. This is Tech Truth Serum, signing off.